So, welcome to the second part of the video. Now it's about how you can make money with Eternity. I know we all get offers all the time, and let's talk frankly, most of them offer little substance. And the bigger the promises, the more you should be careful and skeptical. Making rich overnight programs usually don't have a long life. And that's what Eternity is all about. We offer you a solid business model with a reliable, long-term perspective. This is about profits that are realistically feasible and not about daydreams. We stand for reliability and sustainability. And if you're looking for a real opportunity, if you want to change your life fundamentally, if you really want to, then you have found something here that offers you such a perspective. So let's get started. First of all, you are not allowed to sell any financial products or services yourself, neither to offer nor to advise unless you have a license to do so. But here's the good news again. What you are allowed to do though, you may draw others' attention to the possibility of becoming a member of our community free of charge. And of course, you may also say in that context what benefits are associated with it. But each member then explicitly decides for themselves if they want to take advantage of one of the available offers or not. So, and now let's imagine you have gained a few members who then actually purchase one of the packages we have presented in the first part of the video. Let me show you again. One of the 4 trading packages where you get annual profits of 36 to 84%, or the real estate package that gives you 160% after a term of 2 years. So if a member you have recruited purchases one of these packages, what happens now? Now you become automatically a tipster, and now you receive rewards on the profits of all the members you have recruited, and I repeat, on the profit. There are 3 types of rewards. First, the community rewards. This is a clear, simple uni-level plan that lets you share the profits of the members in your team up to 20 levels. This means that you will receive rewards not only on the profits of the members that you have won yourself, but also on the profits of the members that further progress through referrals. Secondly, ranking rewards, which are distributed in addition to community rewards. For this, you have to qualify with career levels. And third, global rewards. From a certain position, you will additionally participate in the total sales globally. The rewards on the profits are paid on a weekly basis. Every Saturday is payday. That means happy weekend. This combination is very powerful and can lead to something really big. Let's take a closer look at the individual rewards. First, the community rewards. Here you can participate in the profits of the members in your team up to 20 levels. In your first level, you will receive 40% of the profits of your direct members. If you become a tipster as a member, it is not a requirement to also buy a package yourself in order to participate in the members that you have referred. You can also earn money with a so-called free account. However, with a free account, you will receive only 20% on the profits in your first level. Rewards on further levels are not possible with a free account. But if you have at least a basic package yourself, and we're talking just about $100 here, then you'll get 40% in the first level, 20% on the second level, 10% on the third level, and so on. This can then continue depending on the development in your team up to the 20th level, and even there you still get 1%. And that, ladies and gentlemen, can grow into really high revenues for you over time. Not just one time, but week after week, permanently, over and over again. So over time, you can make sure that there is a really passive income for you. Secondly, let's move on to the ranking rewards. This is a difference bonus plan, but you have to qualify for it. However, at least you have to have a basic package for this. Example, your entire team makes a cumulative total of 50,000 ET in sales. As a quick reminder, 1 ET is equal to the value of the US dollar. With this, you then qualify for the first rank position agent and now receive an additional 2% on all profits generated in your entire team. in addition to the community rewards, and not only to the 20th level. This can then increase up to the highest rank position, and that's the community manager with 5 stars. There's then a whopping 12% you get on all profits in your entire team. As I said, this is in addition to the community rewards. And third and finally, the global rewards. This is actually the only form of rewards that is not based on profits but on sales. That is, on the purchase value of the acquired packages. This involves a premium of 2%, which, however, is not benefit to the company, but rather the members who have reached a certain position as an additional appreciation for their performances. For this, you have to reach at least the 3-star level. This part is paid out monthly. All other rewards are paid on a weekly basis. And now here's something very special. Even the best financial advisors recommends that you always should invest a part of your earnings into something that generates further profits. So that on the one hand, you have an income pays your bills, and on the other hand, you build up wealth at the same time. This happens automatically here. 2/3 of the rewards you receive for building your team are immediately available to you. Or to be more precise, 67% you can pay out immediately. The remaining 33% is automatically credited into your Rebuy wallet. With a credit that is created in your Rebuy wallet, you can then in turn purchase a new package. You can even set up an automatic system for this yourself if you wish. This means that these 33% are available to you only at the end of the term of the new package, but then additionally with the corresponding profits depending on the package. This does 2 things. First, this is how you build wealth. And secondly, since this arrangement applies to all members in your team, you will always generate new sales. And you will also be rewarded again in the same way on each new package that is acquired this way. This is absolutely genius because it practically means no end of your passive income, which can even grow that way. And for a better understanding of the bonus plan, I give you some examples. It goes without saying that this can only be an example. Of course, I cannot promise what your personal income will be, because that depends, among other things, on your own activities. The real estate package and the trading packages are charged differently. Let's start with the real estate package. Let's assume that in your first level, a sales of 100,000 ET has been created. Then you will receive an instant reward as a tipster. That's actually, you get a reward on the sales because that would normally be the money a broker would get. And now that's what you benefit from. And that's 3% that's available to you immediately. In the second and third level, it's still 1%. The immediate reward is only for a maximum of 3 levels. After a period of 2 years, the profits are now paid. In this calculation example, this would be 160,000 ET. Of this, 25% goes into the bonus system, which means into the community rewards, ranking rewards, and global rewards. That means another 40% for the community rewards alone. In addition to the 3,000 ET you already have received, this means additional 16,000 ET for you. Just think about it. A real estate agent usually gets between 5 and 7% commission on the purchase price. Here it is calculated 19% for you. That is about more than 3 times. Do you remember? Community rewards are paid out up to 20 levels. So even if someone in your 20th level purchases a real estate package, you will be still rewarded. On top of that, there are ranking rewards and global rewards, but I'm going to leave those out here for now. Currently, we have a promotion. For all real estate packages purchased until October the 1st, 2024, not only 25% will be paid out for the bonus plan, but 50%. That simply means a doubling of your rewards. Now, instead of 16,000, you'll get as much as 32,000 ET. This is about 35% of the purchase value. Again, as a reminder, a broker typically receives between 5 and 7%. With trading packages, it is even more simple. Let's say each member on your team buys a trading package worth an average of 1,000 ET. And let's say you manage to attract 20 members yourself by time. Let's say these members gain an average of 5 new members each. That creates 100 members in your second level. And if they also produce an average of only 3 new members, then that's 300 members in your third level. Let's draw a line here and leave it just to 3 levels. What would that mean to you? If we now calculate this on a monthly level, then with this example, it would result in the following income for you. 2,320 ET from community rewards and 756 ET from the ranking rewards. So together a passive income over 3,000 ET, not just one time, but permanently, months after months. Now if we just imagine that referrals continue beyond the third level up to the 20th level, and everyone gains an average of just 1.1 new members in total, just a little more than only 1 new member each, then this would result in a monthly income of about 36,000 ET for you, recurring months after months, even if you are on vacation or in hospital. But I want you to understand me correctly. I'm not saying it's easy getting rich here. I'm only trying to say that it is possible, and professionals know very well that there can be completely different figures. This is a real chance to change your life fundamentally and sustainably. It doesn't matter if you just want to make some extra money or if you really want to take off again. The chance is here. The only question is whether you want to take advantage of it or not. Please take a look at our bonus plan, which explains the entire compensation model in detail. If you want to be a part of it, register here on this page for free as a member, so you can familiarize yourself with everything. After the registration, you will receive an email. If you confirm this email, you will come directly into your back office, where you have everything in the overview which is needed as information. And you get, of course, also your own ref link, which makes you able to invite other members in your first level. In addition, you will receive a personalized landing page from us, free of charge, just like the one you are currently on. So we are not talking about a sales activity here. You are just making others aware of the opportunity by sharing your link to your landing page. So it's really very easy, and you get a lot more support from us on top of that. We want to help you to become successful with Eternity. Let's summarize everything once again. We are talking about extremely lucrative billion-dollar markets, Forex trading, and one of the best real estate deals in the world. The high-performance expert team can already look back on an 8-year history of success. Until now, only client funds of wealthy private investors were managed. Now the door is opening for everyone. If you purchase one of the trading packages, you will receive an annual profit of 36 to 84%. With the real estate package, it is 160% in 2 years. Of course, building a team is optional, so it's not a requirement. But if you do so, you can start an easy, duplicatable international business here with just $100 capital, with a compensation system up to 20 levels. And the highlight, of course, is the protection for each customer account up to $100,000. That is one of a kind. Which company is offering something like that? I don't know if you ever experienced what it means to have a passive income that keeps coming months after months, no matter what else you do. It feels damn good because it means you can live your life the way you want without depending on anyone. But I do know this. There are countless people out there who would be happy to hear about this opportunity. They just don't know about it. You could be the person to tell them. You could become an ambassador for a really good cause that will help a lot of people for a better life. What else can be better? It's about more freedom, more things to do that really matters to you, without the headaches of usually being an entrepreneur. You don't have to buy goods, you don't have to pay employees. You get everything you need from us, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Success always is a question of the right partner at the right time at the right place. Eternity can become for you the right partner. The right place is here and the right time is now. So I wish you from the bottom of my heart that this can become your new home. If you have any questions, please ask the person who has invited you. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.